internet. Today I have a Zenpop box unboxing video for you. Sometimes I feel like I need to actually say something interesting or relevant at the start of the video, but then I think, no, let's just go straight into the unboxing. This feels like a small box this month, which doesn't really mean anything, but I thought I would just say that. September, back to school pack. Why do I feel like I've seen a back to school pack already? It may be because August was likely back to school as well. I guess it depends which country you're in, but this is kind of for the Northern Hemisphere. A lot of kids going back to school. Okay, so I'll put that aside and let's get straight in. What is this? Smart scissors? I'm pretty sure these are just scissors that are very... Oh yeah, okay, they're just really slim scissors. So let's open that up. Because usually the scissors I like to use are these ones from like Muji, so obviously size-wise this would not fit in my pencil case very well. And how does this work? Take the lid off. You take the lid off, it's actually really hard, like very stiff, so it might need a little bit of practice. Then, alright, you pull this down, pull this up, and there you go, then you have scissors. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I never even thought of it this way, but this is pretty cool. Definitely going to be something I carry in maybe my travel pencil case. I know you guys watched my last what's in my pencil case video, and I feel like since that video I've changed up my pencil case so much, because after reading some of the comments I was like, why don't I use highlighters? And then I just started using highlighters. But the thing is, I keep most of the pens I use on my desk, so they're in like little pots. This is like one of the many pots on my desk, so I do most of my work at home anyway, so I don't really need it in my travel pencil case. But anyways, so I think these are like little sticky notes, 4 patterns, 80 sheets. Let's open. Oh yeah, they're just sticky notes, but they're supposed to be in like a little box to keep them, to avoid them so that they don't get dirty. It's like a little matchsticks. That's how I would kind of, so like, oh, it's like a little piece of paper here. It's like little matchsticks, so you can close them up, and then when you want to use them, just open them up. Next is this. I think it's pretty much a notepad. Yes, it's a little notepad. Although there's like a perforated edge in the middle, so you can kind of rip it out, so you can separate your notes. I love that. Cute notepad. What is this? Correction tape. Oh! It's like the littlest correction tape ever. It is 2.5 millimeters wide, but I think it's 3 meters long. That's so cool. Ugh. Just when I think that I've got like the smallest, most portable correction tape, I think my Muji one is somewhere here, which you guys seen is really small, and then like something like this comes along. I wonder if you can like stack them, because there's like a little circle thing back here, so maybe if you got multiple you could stack them. Oh, it's really tiny. Can you guys see how thin that is in comparison to like a regular? Okay, so like this is my Muji one here. You guys can see the difference. This is like for really small mistakes. I love it. That's so cool. I don't have anything like this. Which one is this? This is like a little word cards. Okay, so this is what I would use if I was trying to memorize vocab and I was still if I was like still using paper. I have a little app on my phone that records all the vocab for Japanese, and then I just flip through that like little study cards. But it's the same concept. You would write your vocab and then you would just study from there. So that's cute. Washi tape. Oh. Let me quickly open this washi tape. It looks like it's a video game washi tape. It looks like out of like Mario Brothers or something like that, but it's totally video game inspired. Okay, I love it. I don't have anything like this. I have like a lot of washi tape, but then when I get these subscription boxes or Simply Gilded comes in, I'm like, how do I not have this? I feel like I would have every single washi tape on the face of the planet, but nope, there's plenty more that I don't have. And these are some post-it notes. I don't know why this reminds me of like Peppa Pig. I don't watch the series or anything, but my niece does, and so I see it come up. But I love this like little pig with a little like talking, thinking bubble. I love that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Seriously? This is so good. Alright, If you guys are into the pastel highlighters, then you know that getting a pack of zebra mild liners in your Zenpop box is goals. Like, this is so good. Like, these highlighters are some of the best pastel highlighters. I wouldn't say they're super expensive, but if you want to get the whole set, it will set you back quite a bit. So it does take a little bit of like budgeting to get everything. So I am so happy that I got this, and I actually have a video coming up where I'm going to be featuring mild liners with another product. So be on the lookout for that, but I am super excited. And then we have the only one, Energized pen, Pentel automatic pencil. Yeah, okay, so it's an automatic pencil. Trying to figure out how, okay, 0.5, a little thicker than I'm used to, but it's very, very comfortable, I can already tell. And then we lastly have some stickers. No, this is stickers for sure. Different like animations or expressions. And then this one I think is kind of like a board that you put in your planners or when you're writing. So it's actually called shitajiki, which is essentially, it means like cardboard or plastic board under, so you put that under, and so it just makes sure that your writing from one page doesn't transfer onto the page behind it, or if you flip the page and you've got like writing on one side, you don't have that impressed on the other side. Hopefully I'm making coherent sense. It makes sense in my head, but I'm sure you guys know what I mean. But it's basically just a writing board. And I remember collecting these a lot when I was in high school. I remember collecting them for all the anime and manga characters that I would watch. But instead of actually using them as writing boards, I would stick them up on my wall, just kind of like posters. So it's like very nostalgic. I'm not familiar with this particular animation, but I think it might just be a random. And that's everything in this month's Zenpop box. I'm not really sure if you want me to try anything, so I could try the mild liners and the pencil, but I feel like everybody knows what the mild liners are like, so I might actually just skip the mild liners and the pencil. Let's just write with the pencil, because why not? Okay, so as you can see, simple basic pencil. I'm going to write Pentel. Very comfortable. I mean, I don't really know what else to say about it. It's a really good pencil. It feels right. It is a little on the weightier side, so just keep that in mind. But I tend to write with 0.3, so I wouldn't use this as much, but I might use it for a little bit of drafting when I'm sketching out designs and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyways, that's everything in this month's Zenpop box. I actually really love this. Oops. I actually really love this box. I feel like there was a lot of practical things in it that I can actually use, as opposed to decorative pieces that are just going to be kept to the side and collect dust. Not that that happens very much. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.